12 cognitive biases that are holding you back. Status quo bias, preferring things to stay the same. Example, resisting new software because the old one feels more comfortable even if the new one is better. Confirmation bias, favoring information that supports our beliefs. Example, paying attention only to the people in a group who agree with us and giving more weight to their opinions. Anchoring bias, relying too much on the first piece of information. Mentoring your previous salary is a new job negotiation may influence the final offer even though the position could justify a higher salary. Attribution error, attributing others' actions to the character, not circumstances. Thinking a colleague is lazy for missing a deadline without considering what may be going on at their home for them. Cost fallacy, continuing to invest in something simply because we have already done for a long time. Example, keep investing in falling project to break even or avoid acknowledging failure. Negativity bias, giving more weight to negative experiences. Being cynical and skeptical about innovation simply because they are new. Self-serving bias, attributing success to oneself and failure to external factors. Example, crediting personal hard work success but blaming market conditions for a failure. Groupthink, confirmation to the general opinion of the group over critical thinking out of fear of contradicting and being alienated. Example, agreeing with the risky investment just because the majority supports it. Head bias, overestimating how uncertain events were before they happened. Claiming you knew it all along after the successful product launch despite initial uncertainty. Halo effect, letting overall impressions influence specific judgments. Example, assuming a charismatic CEO is more competent and trustworthy regardless of their track record. Framing effect, conclusions are influenced by how information is presented. More employees support a project 90% success rate than with 10% failure rate. Availability heuristic, judging events by how easily examples come to mind. Example, making disproportionate investment based on the overestimated likelihoods of success. These are some confirmation biases that are holding you back. If you are new to this channel, we talk about learning, earning and many more stuff. If you are someone who is just wasting their time and if you are just hanging out, right, this is the right channel for you if you want to learn something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.